Bradley said to me when I first got my car. I don't like it because it's quite loud.
Did I? I remember that.
I remember that. You would have bought this.
Mate, remember my little, our little shitty Clio, 1.2? That was clearly not a performance car, but it tried to sound like one.
Next video's got to be used cars louder. Have a little rev off. Wake all the biddies down our lane. Biddies!
Probably give them a heart attack.
Yeah, probably.
Matt's going to swing by me, he's like, oh, it's your money vlog life.
Work it fierce.
Now I've got to try and turn out this.
That's a very gentle gear change.
What, me or me?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, is that a little backfire on every change? Don't make me jealous. Mine who does it was cold.
Mine does it all the time.
And every now and then when it's warm.
Hit about 4,000 or 5,000, you get that lovely little ripple.
I know I got to do on the next video then, get a camera on the back just for a bit of sound. Use my little suction mount.
I haven't quite perfected it though, like good 50-60% of the time.
So the differences between mine and Bradley's car. Bradley's got a whole 14 more brake than me.
What the fuck is this guy doing?
Stopping in the middle of the road.
That's alright, there's a little bob.
Bradley's car weighs 1,250 kilograms. Yeah, I looked this up. And mine weighs 1,100 kilograms. Bradley's 150k heavier. Do I want to drive your Swagon? What, you want it on drive, do you? Okay. I'm just about to give loads more info. So technically, mine drives better.
You have to put your foot.
Bradley's got more power. Do you know why you've got more power?
Mine's better.
Because the compression is better.
And I got a different exhaust as well.
Well, that's true actually. But so have I. So have I. Oh, Emily's like a hobbit. Where's the seat? Oh. Swaggin. Any boys that drive A1 out there? Don't know how you do it. Emily parking with the steering wheel straight like a good girl. Not. What way is this going to turn? Just for a cheeky little finish, Bradley's going to give me a few spats, hopefully. Alright, you chav with a loud exhaust. Alright guys, so obviously that's it for today's video. It was literally just a nice little quick shot just to show you guys, unfortunately, that the car is not mine. The car is actually owned by my younger brother, Bradley. He's only recently got it, obviously he's only had it a month or so I filmed it sort of as soon as he came back and did a little teaser video. Obviously a lot of you thought it was mine, unfortunately it is not. I say unfortunately, I still love mine, but his sounds nice, looks nice. Obviously I am a Clio fan, being that I've owned mine for 5 years now. Little details, obviously what's different, Bradley's is heavier. Bradley's is heavier by about 150 kilograms. It weighs 1,250 kilograms-ish. Whereas mine weighs 1,100, so obviously it's quite a lot less, but his is a little bit quicker. He has got, what, obviously 197 brake, potentially still, whereas mine potentially still has 182. Obviously we've both got custom exhausts. We're both on sort of lower in springs. Well, I'm gonna call him as he's on springs, I think. We haven't actually worked that out yet. His exhaust needs a little bit of work with all the hangers and things, so there's a little bit more content for you guys. We can do some work on Bradley's car, but I'm not sure how much he wants to do. I want his brake calipers. That's about the one thing that I really want off his car. But I want to know what you guys think. Whose car do you prefer? Do you prefer Bradley's, the way it looks? The more sort of spaced out car is obviously it's a little bit wider, or do you prefer the bubbly, older 182? But yeah, let us know which one you prefer down in the comments. Hope you're glad that we are back. Hopefully we'll be getting weekly videos back in again, but obviously there'll only be little things, because I'm not going to be sort of spending loads of money on the car parts because I'm saving for a house. Okay, but yeah, thank you very much. Hope you're glad we are back. Leave us down in the comments whose car you prefer. Cheers.